Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful family, today I am here for you again. Progress the analyst. You not go stop because I know see me, I dey analyze all the analyzable. And for the truth matter, the truth side, now me stand. Anything comparable, anything bringable, anything latest, anything organic, anything truth, now me they talk. So today I believe say this one are the first time I believe say this our brother Okocha. I know say a lot of una go know am as former Nigeria Super Eagle player. Today come showcase himself for this our platform. Me will give us seat abeg. Do when you share this video make it reach where e dey because if he's not informed, somebody will be deformed. So e good say make everybody dey get all the information, no matter how small, how kini e dey. So today Okocha come make announcement, so he come make one particular video. He say as una dey see am so he wan enter Cameroon. They go dey support his brother wey they call Samuel Eto'o. I know some of una not really know Asha, one of the Cameroon footballer. But make it not be seen on my mouth and I want to hear them because already they have passed the message to Okocha. But before we go into the news in details, I want you to just listen to him and I'll be right back.
Hi, my name is Okocha, the former Super Eagles player. I'll be joining my brother Samuel Eto'o on the 30th of November 2023 at Limbe Omini Sports Stadium for a gala match, a rematch of the 2000 final of the African Nations Cup. You don't want to miss it. I'll see you there.
Hey! Wonders they say shall never end. As I was saying before, as soon as Okocha drop this update like this, bang, that he will be live on 30th of November 2023 to join his brother in the Mefido for inside Cameroon. That is the government of Ambazonia, Dr. Show Aoba. Can't raise another alarm. This is the response. He responded to Okocha. He said, Okocha, Simon Eto'o is not a friend of Ambazonia. We advise you as a son of Biafra to avoid Ambazonia to promote anything concerning Cameroon. I have notified at Simon Ekpa and I call on lovers of our both nations, that is Biafra and Ambazonia, to put anyone who promotes, enables our butchers in their place. My beloved people, this is the response from Ambazonia giving Okocha one, not be small one. They wanna say that place when they go, that Simon Eto'o is not a friend of Ambazonia, and Okocha should be careful because they said Okocha is from Biafra, and for that reason they don't want Okocha to have anything to do in Cameroon. Say because the government where they Cameroon is worst. This is the message they gave to Okocha. Aside that, immediately he said he called on the lovers of both nations. When he said both nations, he is referring to Biafra and Ambazonia. Because they have equal fighting process, let me use that word, and also they are also in alliance with each other. That means the Biafra and the Ambazonia, they are team workers. They are working together. They are doing the same thing. Now, after the Dr. Show Aoba called on Simon Ekpa, that is from the Biafra angle, that you have to warn this your brother. He is trying also. He's coming to Cameroon to promote Cameroon, and you know very well that we are Cameroon. We are not in agreement. Immediately from Biafra side, that is Simon Ekpa representing the Biafra people right now, himself drop his own gbas. Let us hear what the Biafra Prime Minister respond after Dr. Show Aoba, the government of Ambazonia, after calling on him. Let us hear what the Biafra Prime Minister respond to Okocha. as I dey talk before, you guys know say that these Biafra people na go worse pass so, but nevertheless we have to listen to him carefully as I read what the Biafra Prime Minister respond to Okocha. He said, the Ambazonia government has drawn the attention of the Biafra government to a video made and posted by Okocha that he will be visiting Ambazonia territory to support Cameroon by participating in a friendly football match with Simon Eto'o. We want to sound it as a warning and as an advice to stay away from Ambazonia territory while promoting a lawless Cameroon in the middle of war. We further wish to inform him that his security is not guaranteed in Ambazonia while promoting Cameroon, who have committed genocide against Ambazonia people. This is the response though. Now, you know that after the Biafra Prime Minister dropped this, responding to Okocha or to the Ambazonia leader that drew his attention to what is about to happen, that Okocha is about to visit Cameroon. Now, I just want to read some comments if people support what the Biafra and Ambazonia are saying about Okocha or not. See, we are here to torchlight all the torchlightable. One of them said, if he like, make he no lis ten, body go tell am, Ambazonia people dey vex so. And another person say, can you imagine this guy? Because Biafra Liberation Army and Eastern Security Network are protecting his home, he think his security and safety is from those men that follows him. Let us listen to the last person before we analyze it properly. Another one said, is Okocha still playing football, or he just want to show up himself in Cameroon? All the same. Now, you that listening to this word, the message that was sent to Okocha, are you in support of the Ambazonia people? Are you in support of the Biafran people? Or are you also in support that no problem, Okocha, go ahead and visit Cameroon? Because some persons may say that, oh, what is the problem between Okocha and what is happening between Ambazonia and Cameroon? Or what is the problem between Okocha and what is happening in Nigeria and Biafra? That these are different people, that Ambazonia or Biafra, Cameroon or Nigeria, that we should understand that Okocha is a Nigeria. He believed in one Nigeria. That what is the problem of Ambazonia and Biafra? Why are they sending such message to Okocha? Please, I also want you to drop your opinion in the comment section so that people that did not understand why this message was sent will be able to flow along. And as we are talking like this, I just want to inform you that Hope Uzodimma has been given the certificate of return as the governor of Imo State. I said, let me keep you all updated because now 9 minutes ago, the young people, they shout at I know. They will be crying. When they tell them something, they know they hear. Anyways, what do I know? I'm just trying to keep it real, making everybody to be carried along with what is happening. So please share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst as I give you all the update back to back. See you and bye bye.